Tomorrow we are traveling to Florida. We need to be ready early in the morning.
Yes, I am very excited about this trip. It will be a very special day for us.
I am really excited for the trip tomorrow.
Are we going very early in the morning?
I want to see the airplane.
I want to look outside the window.
Today is our travel day. We need to leave soon for the airport.
Yes, let's have breakfast first.
Then we can get everything ready. Sounds perfect.
I am so happy today. I love going on trips with the family.
I want to bring my bag. I want to take my favorite things.
Okay, it is time to go to the airport.
Yes, everything is ready.
Let's take the bags.
We can leave now.
I am ready to go.
Me too!
I am very excited.
We are going to the airport now. It will take some time to get there.
Yes, the road looks clear today. I think we will arrive on time.
I like looking outside the window.
Yes, the road is very busy.
I can see many cars.
I like this trip.
We are at the airport now. This place is very big.
Yes, there are many people here. Let's go inside.
Wow, this airport is very big.
I have never seen something like this.
Yes, there are many people here. I want to see the airplanes.
Let's go inside and find the check-in area.
Yes, we should follow the signs.
We need to check our bags.
I think it is this way.
There are so many people here.
I see many bags and suitcases.
This place is very busy.
Everyone is traveling.
We need to wait in line for check-in.
Yes, the line is a bit long,
There are many people today.
but we will be fine.
We are waiting in line now. I want to go faster.
Yes, I want to get on the plane.
I am getting excited.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, we are traveling to Florida. We would like to check in.
May I see your passports, please?
Yes, here are our passports.
Where are you flying today?
We are flying to Florida. It is a family trip.
Great, thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, we have 2 bags. Here they are.
Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Now we need to go to the security check.
Yes, I see the security area over there.
We have to follow the signs.
Let's go together.
We are walking to the security area. There are many people here.
I see the machines. I think this is security.
Please put your bags on the belt. Okay, we will put our bags here. Thank you. All right, kids, let's go through. Please remove any metal items. Okay, I will take everything out. I understand. Thank you.
We have to go through the scanner. I think it is very interesting.
Yes, I have never done this before. It looks fun.
Everything is ready now. We are done with security.
Yes, that was very easy. Now we can relax.
I can see the airplanes outside. They are very big.
I like watching them. I want to go on the plane now.
We have some time before boarding. We can sit and relax.
Yes, maybe we can eat something. I am a little hungry.
Good idea. Let's go and find something to eat. I think there is a food area here.
Yes, I see some restaurants. Let's go there.
I am very hungry now. I want something to drink.
I want a sandwich. I am very hungry too.
We just need to wait a little. The food will be ready soon.
Yes, I am very hungry. I am ready to eat.
Hello, I would like 2 sandwiches and 2 juices.
Sure, your order will be ready soon.
This juice is very good. I like it a lot.
This sandwich is very tasty. I like this food.
That was a good meal. Now we need to go to the gate.
Yes, let's get ready for boarding.
All right, everyone, let's go.
Don't forget your bags.
Our gate is this way. We need to hurry a little.
Yes, we do not want to be late.
I can see our airplane. It looks amazing.
Yes, it is very big. I am very excited now.
We need to wait for boarding. It will start soon.
Yes, let's stay here. Boarding for Florida is now open.
That's our flight. Let's get ready. Let's stand in line. We are ready to board.
Yes, everything is ready. May I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll just scan this.
You're all set. Here you go. Great, thanks.
Have a nice flight. Wow, this is so nice.
It really is. So modern.
Look at the seats. So much space.
This will be a great flight. We are entering the airplane now. Please be careful.
Yes, let's find our seats.
I like this seat. I want to sit by the window.
Me too. I want to see outside.
Let's sit down and relax. This is going to be a long flight.
Yes, let's get comfortable.
Please fasten your seatbelt. It is very important.
Yes, safety comes first.
The plane is moving. I feel excited.
Wow, we are going up. This is amazing.
We are now in the air. The view is very beautiful.
Yes, the clouds look amazing.
The clouds look so soft. They are very beautiful.
I like this view. It is very nice.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes, I would like a meal, please. Thank you.
And for you? Would you like chicken or pasta? I would like pasta, please. Thank you.
This food is very good. I like it.
I like the juice. It tastes good.
We can relax now. The trip is going well.
Yes, everything is perfect.
I feel a little tired. I want to rest.
Me too. I will close my eyes.
The plane is moving a little now.
Yes, I can feel it.
It is just a little turbulence.
It is normal.
I am scared now.
It is shaking more.
I do not like this.
It will stop soon. Strike.
I will check on the kids now.
Yes, go see them.
They may feel a little scared. Stay with them. It is okay. I am here with you.
I feel better now.
The plane is stable again.
Okay, I am not scared now.
Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Okay, thank you. This is normal turbulence. That is good to know.
I see the clouds moving. It looks better now. The plane is not shaking much. I feel okay now.
We are preparing for landing.
We are almost there. We are arriving in Florida. This looks beautiful.
Yes, I can see the city.
We are landing now. I feel excited.
We are finally here.
Let's leave the airplane. Be careful.
Yes, let's go.
This place looks different. I like it. It feels warm here.
We need to get our bags. They will arrive soon.
Yes, let's wait here.
Mom, Dad, please get the bags quickly.
I really want to see the city.
Yes, please hurry. I am very excited to explore this place.
I am very happy to be here. This is amazing.
I like this place. I am excited.
We are finally in Florida. This is the start of our trip.
Yes, this will be a wonderful experience.
Now we need to call a taxi. We are going to the hotel.
Yes, and after that, we can explore the city. I am very excited to visit the parks.
This is the beginning of our adventure.
I can't wait to see the parks.
Let's go. This will be amazing.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.
Tell us where you are watching from. We would love to know.
What kind of videos do you like? Tell us your ideas. We can make more videos for you.
Please give a like.
See you next time.
Bye.